and his gamer tag is Fluffy Crew 1738. And my gamer tag on Xbox One is 1730. Is Crew Life 1738. And we're doing an Xbox One opening. And I just got a new mic today. And here it is. And it glows too. Only $34. And this is a level 3. This is also my mic. It also glows, but it actually goes blue instead right here. And I just got it yesterday. I'm so stupid. And now we're gonna show you our games and controllers. And this is my white Luna Xbox One controller. And this is my Camel One controller for the PS4. It's pretty cool. And you can also, if you guys don't know, it goes right here too, blue. And it's all camel. It's a pretty cool controller. And now we're going to do game opening. Now we pick our favorite game. My first game is Dying Light. I just got it, and my friend told me that it's like a zombie apocalypse survival game. So I wanted to try it out and play with them. So now my brother went this way. This is my favorite game. It is the show 2K. It is the show 16. I'll be the show 2K16. And this is my favorite game. Right here. If you want it, it's available at store for PS4 and an Xbox One. PS4. It is the best one you can get. My next favorite game is Battlefield Hardline. Sorry for the glare, guys. Okay. And this is my favorite game, Grand Theft Auto 5. And it's a pretty fun game. Pretty sure all of you guys heard of it, and pretty sure you've seen your friends play it and stuff on PS4, Xbox One, and it's a fun game. And my final and least favorite game is NBA 2K16. It's the Michael Jordan version. Sorry, I'm so sorry for the glare. I hate the freaking glare. And this is my favorite video. It's actually a Transformers game. And it's actually pretty fun. Yeah, guys, sorry for the glare. It's a pretty fun game. I just got it today. And this is my final one for the PS4. It's Marvel Superheroes, and it's a Lego game. It's pretty fun. My friend has it, and I thought it was pretty cool, and I seen it for a PS4, and I was thinking about getting it, and here it is. Right here. It's a pretty fun game, so if you guys have PS4, it'll be really fun to play. So, thank you for watching this video, and if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe.